With its bustling streets, world-renowned sights and a foodie scene that can rival most countries, New York City is a place that is as diverse as it is unique. Better still, there's a heap of the best free things to do in New York that are not at all. Of course, New York City has shed loads of glitzy restaurants and speakeasy bars where you can wine and dine the night away, though not everything has to cost the earth. That being said, if you're looking to experience more of the city without the dollar flying out of your pocket, then take a gander at some of the best free things to do in New York if you're a little savvy with your planning. Oh, and don't forget to check out New York City's secret spots that you must explore, too. These are great if you've saved a little dosh and want to find some other cool spots in the city. With that in mind, take a look at these free things to do in New York City. Have the best trip. You might have heard of MoMA, especially if you're an art buff. The Museum of Modern Art in Manhattan is one of the best art museums in the entire world, and on Friday afternoons, it's totally free. It won't cost you a single cent. From 4 o'clock to 8 p.m. every Friday, MoMA is free to every visitor, but beware of long lines that can take up a big portion of your time. Thankfully, queues disappear quite fast after 6 p.m. though. This will mean you've got less time inside, so plan ahead. Oh yeah, and if you're not in NYC on Friday afternoon, don't worry, MoMA has an outdoor space free to the public every day from 9 o'clock to 10:15 a.m. It's called the Abbey Aldrich Rockefeller Sculpture Garden and features art and sculptures for viewing that most visitors don't even know about. New York Aquarium. If you can manage to get there on a Wednesday, then yes, the New York Aquarium is free. There is a little known free time slot happens every Wednesday, from 3 p.m. until closing.